What's up, y'all? We're back for episode 6. We're gonna try something different. It's the same thing. One fat, one one hanger and one blaster. I'm gonna go first with these two, and he'll end it off with the blaster. So let's start with the fat pack. So far, fat pack has just been really amazing for us. We cannot complain.
For $5.
For $5, it's just awesome.
Dude, stop ripping it like that, because the corner's so dang delicate.
Yeah. All right, Damian Lillard. Ooh, Zion already off the bat. Threads. He looks fat in this.
Yeah, he does.
Cam Johnson. Prestige. We got Cat.
Give us
Trae Young.
Give us a silver.
Threads. Kevin Porter. Darius Garland. We got a Anthony Davis. Nice.
Luminance.
Jackson Hayes.
Oh shit. You got a Lux.
Tyler Hero.
Dang, DeAndre Hunter. Give us a. We need the rookie, man.
Jason Tatum.
Who's that?
Pelicans. Oh, Jackson Hayes.
Oh, dude.
Dude, I saw Pelicans, dude. Dang it, dude. That was a troll. Tremont Waters and Trae Young.
Man, I knew you saw a Lux. That's my favorite. Lux is my favorite, dude.
He's alright.
What do you think about the fat pack? Easily $5.
Yeah, Zion.
I'd actually buy all the fat packs, but I don't know how they'll ship it though.
Alright.
That may be the best value of all, dude.
That and hangers. We've been doing really well. But we can't complain because we got the Ja Morant auto in the blasters.
You can put signature reds in this, dude. And the guy, he lets you keep it, but there's no Zion in the picture, man. Dang it.
Don't want to mess up the corners.
You get my blaster. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
James Harden. Oh, shoot. This is so messy.
Remember, at the end of the day, just get $1 per card.
Exactly. Alright. D-Fox. Sekou. Prestige.
Come on, you never pulled any.
Jamal Murray.
You've never pulled any Prism except for Terrence
Threads.
Davis, right?
And Melo.
Melo, yeah.
Randall. Tyler Hero. I got the other one too. Oh no, you got Kawhi and KD.
I got Terrence Davis.
No, you got Kawhi and KD.
Yeah, Kawhi.
Tyler Hero,
And
Prestige.
KD, yeah, dude. But you got the Apprentice.
Kemba.
You beat that.
Threads. Giannis. Keldon Johnson. Man. LeBron. Ja.
Ah, there you go. Playbook Ja. PJ.
Pascal. Kobe. Keldon Johnson. Luka.
That's like 15.
Wow, that's an awesome one.
There you go.
Garland.
It's gonna heat up now.
Yes, LeBron.
Score. Or
Classics. Ooh, Kristaps. UT Stable. Zion, yes! Phoenix. Wow.
Oh, good pull. Give me that. Just give me that now. What is that silver?
RJ Flux.
What is that silver?
James.
Oh, Harden.
Marquis. Jackson Hayes. Grizzlies.
Clark.
XR. And I saw the back ready.
Oh, DeAndre Hunter.
XR. Green, not a numbered.
Yeah, you gotta search up that Phoenix. I always wanted the Phoenix thing too. I love that card.
Green might be something. I'll put greener here.
Yeah, did you get green?
Oh, your turn.
Did you get green Zion in that?
Huh?
Did you get green Zion like that?
Yeah.
Dude, good freaking pull. Come on, I gotta beat JJ's thing, dude. I need airborne Zion. It's going at 1,000 right now. No, yeah, I think 1,000. God bless you guys.
First pack. Kobe. Luka. Luka's just warming up with the hot start. Rookie and Stars, Cameron. What is this?
Hero.
Where's Rookie and Stars?
In the bottom left.
Hero and a
Oh.
Goga. Dang it, man. Come on, can we get a Prism update? And can we get a silver? Gee, that's just gonna make our day. Prism silver update. Jackson Hayes. Dang it, Andre Drummond.
That's the only one. There's only one Drummond. And Iguodala.
Traded, see? Rui, Cam Reddish, XR. I love the XR too. But for me, I don't like these because they're paper. I don't know why JJ thought I was stupid saying that. Always the center, always on center stage. There you go, Zion pink, numbered or no? It's not.
Oh, nice.
PJ Washington. Dang it, Terrence Davis. We're looking for you, Zion. We're looking for you. I'll buy you, dude. I'll buy you. Essentials, Jackson Hayes and Terrence Davis. I'm gonna buy that Zion card if I can't get it, man. RJ Barrett. This might be an RJ Barrett lot. Prestige. Oh, Chris Middleton. Never mind. Threads. PJ. Baisley. This might be worth something. And Carson Edwards pink. Corners are not bad. Okay, I'm waiting for the fat pack, dude. Ben Simmons. Come on. Need some heat. Nazir Little. Threads. Rookies and Stars. Carson Edwards, come on. Jordan Poole. Dang it.
I'm looking good. I think this is one of the most dry.
Yeah, this might be a dry because I don't feel anything fat. Oh, look us up. We did get a Lux. We got a Lux.
Alright, Clippers.
Jackson Hayes, come on. I love the feel of the card too, man. Where's the Lux, Jay?
Oh, just put it there and look.
Cody and then Jared Culver. What is this, Recon?
You can put it in a Recon.
Where is
the
it?
Thing, left.
Okay, not bad, guys. At least we made up for it. So, oh, we got I think Brandon Clark. None. Playbook Davis. Zion. Oh, it's numbered. 6 out of 10. Oh, 6 out of 10.
Oh, it's gold! It's gold!
6 out of 10. Jay, one touch it.
No, give me it. Stop touching it.
One touch it.
Oh my, that's a gold.
Brandon Clark.
Oh my gosh, that's a gold.
Jay and a LeBron James Essential. Silver.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, baby.
Wow, I think you beat me with like. I think this beats the.
Do you got one touch in there?
Yeah, this definitely beats.
Oh, baby.
This might beat the John Moran, dude.
I might trade that for a Zion auto. Or Zion thing. That might be $400.
This is gold, dude, out of 10. No, there's none out there.
Yeah, there's none. There will be none out there.
Switch it up.
Chronicles. I got another Zion thread. Towns, Tyler Hero XR.
I'm glad we did not sell these packs, man.
Keldon Johnson.
It's not in the market right now. See, the out of 99 is $500.
No way.
Oh my god.
Zion thread. Guys, thank you so much for watching, dude. We already know we made our money there, so we're on to the next one, but we got to do the calculations. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for day number 7, guys. Let's freaking go. Let's go. We just showed them the card last time.
A little whitening on the corner, but oh, and the left one too. I mean, this can still still get somewhat a PSA 10, but I'm not getting that greedy. I'll just sell it. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go.